Welcome back to another video from Kleis Car Audio. Today we are showcasing the KENWOOD DNX9190DABS that we've installed into a T6 Transporter Caravelle. This particular model, just waiting for it to focus there. Now this is the top of the range unit from KENWOOD. One of my favourite features and benefits for this particular platform is you've got a reverse tilt function. Now that makes the stereo angle a little bit towards you, which really helps helps reduce glare and reflections that you get off of the windscreen. This unit's got all sorts of angles. That's the sort of the flat on angle, and then that's your reverse tilt angle. That little bit really does help nicely. And you know, this unit works for other vehicles where you've got different tilts which go different ways, but yeah, on this particular vehicle we're going to leave it in that position. That looks the nicest. Now this head unit is fully loaded. Now also this vehicle is fully loaded. We've got steering wheel controls, you've got reverse camera which we keep working, and parking sensor overlay front and rear, so that all works as normal. You've got the wireless Apple CarPlay, which I'm going to run you through in a brief second, and you've even got wireless Android Auto. Now this particular stereo, being the top of the range, also has built-in navigation, so at the touch of your fingertip you've got a full built-in European navigation done by Garmin, which is perfect for capturing and allowing you to get from A to B without much issue. Now we install the KENWOOD flush into the dashboard and into this nice matching fascia, which gives you a nice original feel to the install. I'm going to show you in this little pocket here, you've got the factory USB which we keep working, so that works for Apple CarPlay, although you don't really need it. Now the second USB is in the glove box at the back here, and we've also got two other cables which we position into there as neat as you can. Just a little grommet to bring it through. Now HDMI and this additional power cable, what is it? This is a HDMI connection into this KENWOOD. There's a dedicated USB power high amperage charging lead, so you can actually power Fire Stick, a Google Chrome device, Roku, whatever is your preferred HDMI streaming device, even the Apple AV adapter. You can plug in there, select your source on here, and you know, if you're going to be in this vehicle for a long time or sat in it for longer periods, you can watch something like a movie through your Fire Stick on Netflix or YouTube, anything you like really. Loads of opportunities on that side of things for different means of entertainment. So just going back to the stereo side of things, we've got the home screen. When you click down here, volume control, nav menu, DAB, we just hop onto this menu in here, get your presets down the side there, and then you search using this magnifying glass, where we've now got loads of stations available to listen to. Select a station by clicking it, and then if you want to save it, you just simply click on a preset and hold it down. I'm going to leave that because that's the customer's favorite radio stations we've saved there. Apple CarPlay, if you haven't heard of it, it's extremely popular. Everyone wants it. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Get a much more intuitive way of using your telephone while driving for your phone, your maps, your music. I like to use Maps, Google, or you got Google Maps as an option, and I use Tidal for my music, although Spotify is very popular. Even DAB radio out to those areas where DAB literally is unreachable, you've got that in there. So that gives you a brief walk around the head unit side of things. This is sort of the menus, shows different options of the sources. As I sort of mentioned, this unit is fully loaded. You've got the DVD and CD in here, so you can stick your DVD, CD into that little section there, and the screen folds away, and yeah, fully loaded. Now also, just the last thing I'm going to show you before I go today is when this head unit turns on, we've added a cool little feature. So just to help tie it in with the VW nicely, we've stuck a little splash screen on there, so when you boot it up, brings up your VW logo, and yeah, just that little extra touch keeps things nice and sweet. That's pretty much everything for this brief video from Kleis Car Audio today. My name's Max, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got a transporter, or if you've got any other car for that matter, and you want a stereo upgrade, maybe a security upgrade, then get in contact with Kleis. Follow and like us on YouTube, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers now and goodbye.